Friends, I am Dr. Nitish Kumar Misra, Assistant Professor of English, Nagarjun Umesh Sanskrit College, Tarun. Yesterday, I taught you about preposition and use. Do you play with preposition at home? Oh yes, please try it at home. And today's, I teach you some more important preposition and their use. Okay, so this class is for Shastri second year, so enjoy with me in the class of preposition. Okay, use of above and over. Above and over. Above means higher from, that means higher from, no connection. When we use above, then no connected, as cloud over my head, the sun above my head. When we use above, then it is must for you to know there is no connection between noun. Okay, he flew over the clouds, that means no touch. The waves came up above her head. Over is used in four sense. Over is used in four sense. You can use over like above. As at noon, the sun is over our heads. You can also use above in the sense of beyond. In the sense of beyond, you can use the preposition over. I cannot get over my disappointment. In the sense of superiority. In the sense of superiority, you use preposition over. God over all blesses forevermore. Okay, and next, use of at, in, on. At is generally used for village, small towns, or the definite point of time. We use at. I belong to a village. I belong at a village. I live at village Rampur. He lived at Benipur. Baba Nagarjun was born at Taroni. In different point of time, you also use at. Ram called on me at 5 p.m. yesterday. You must come to me at 8 a.m. morning. Okay. And next, in. In is used with the big cities like Darbhanga, Patna, Dehradun, Calcutta. Province and countries, we use in. As Radha lives in Patna, her father lives in England. In is also used with the name of month and year. In is also used with the name of month and years. Hema goes to Patna in August, or you can say the month of August. Rekha plays cricket in the December, in the month of December. Okay, and in is also used in the place. He travel in a crowded bus. He travel in a crowded bus. Okay, and next we use on. On is used with dates and names of days. On is used with the dates and names of the days. I joined the college on 29th May 2019. He will leave Kolkata on next Monday. Okay. Next, use of below or beneath. Below means of lower level in position, dignity and expectation, who is not the same position. When we use below, that means his position, dignity and expectation is below, as it is below my dignity to talk to her. That means he is not the same position like me. So I use it is below my dignity to talk to her. You play cricket below your position or below your expectation. Okay. Beneath means under. Below means lower. Beneath means under. They rested beneath the shade of a tree. That means the shade of a tree. Beneath means under. Okay. Use of in, into and to. In, into and to. In express rest or motion inside anything, as Ram is in the room. Gopal plays Gopal reads in the class. Here you say Ram and Gopal has no motion, he is in rest. In next, in to express motion towards the inside of anything or change from one medium to another. The cat jumped into the chair. Into the chair and change from one medium to another. Translate into English. Okay. To denote motion from one palace to another. He goes to Darbhanga. Okay. Okay. Till, by, of. Till means up to or not earlier than. Point of time. Till means not earlier than. By means not later than. Till means not earlier than. By means not later than. Of shows cows, source, separation, quality, contents, position, etc. And of shows separation at a near distance and detached condition. So you can say I shall work till 9 p.m. You will read in this college till 2021. By this time tomorrow I shall have finished my work. By this time tomorrow I shall have finished my job. You can also write it I shall have finished my job by this time tomorrow. Okay. Manju died of cancer. Our principal is a man of principle. He lived in the house of his friend. Okay. And of so separation at a near distance and detached condition. My house is off the road. The book fell off the table. Okay. Then if you have any problem, then you call me, and it is must for you to translate into English with use this preposition I already taught you. Okay. Bye bye.